Oops, watch out. We still can't find crappie though. There's something there. Oh yeah, that's something big. Oh my gosh. Feels like a bass. Yep. Acro bass. Hey, do one for the people driving by. I might trust you to bend. Oh, I don't want to. We don't want me bending over. Thank you. We'd all go in. Thank you. I pulled him right out of there from the. I got some right here. There you go. Got it. There we go. He's not too bad. A little, yeah, nice healthy bass. See you later, buddy. Oh, little bass. Hey, little guy. You guys are entertaining at least. Hey, this has been awesome. We still can't find crappie though. Well, I think we're going to.
Yeah, we're almost there at the end.
Well, not a crappie. Not the crappie we're looking for. All right, little guy. Oh, that might be crappie. This might be crappie. Oh, it's small. It's a smaller bass.
Baby bass.
Baby bass. Okay, so what's next? Well, I found bluegill. We could have had enough for tacos tonight.
Yeah. Someone can show me who Christ is. If you can't do that, then I got to go somewhere else, or I got to, this isn't the place.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to be conformed to what I was seeing. I wanted to be conformed to Christ. I see more are willing to come out of that, because when we first did, we were going through a Bible study. And it was with a guy who had a prophetic gift. He definitely was a little shy about wanting to step out, and I would just assure it's okay.
There you go. Hey, at least you're feisty. So you seen any crappie around, mister? Guess you weren't gonna come off. See you later, little buddy. You're a nice and healthy, pretty little fish.
Like fish, but of course, living in the city.
Yeah, limited.
Gonna get out and
Oops, watch out. Okay, had one that I'm used to it. I'm used to dodging my jigs. I did a little hockey hand stop. Yeah, it was coming right at you, and I stuck my hand out, and I didn't even have to think of it and what we were just talking about, you know? I mean, you wouldn't get hit. You wouldn't have been hit too hard. Oh, look at that. It's a big bluegill. It's a nice one. People that know seem to think they know everything. And it kind of goes into the beware of false prophets and all that. That is probably the biggest bluegill I've caught this year. So anyways, it kind of puts me on the outside of everything in my life, but I'm good with that. I'd say if we had about 5 or 6 of those, yeah, tacos for sure. Gonna do it one more time for you. Woohoo! That's almost. Yeah, wow. Good job. Barely hooked. There you go, man. Oh yeah, that's something big. Oh my gosh. Here we go. All right, just show it out. All right, when you're ready. Oh my gosh, look at that. I had it on camera. Congratulations, man. That is a tanker. We caught one.
We finally
Caught one. Yeah, oh my gosh, we're taking a picture of that. You take a moment. Does this beat the one that you...
it does.
Oh my gosh, we gotta...
This is bigger than the one I caught.
Oh my gosh, this is incredible.
Man, I gotta have him behind it.
Oh yeah. All right, we'll get you a good picture first. I've got as good a picture as I can get with this cell phone, so. All right, okay. Tank. When you pulled that up, I saw that big old side.
No, that's what finally got
Convinced
me.
you.
It wasn't a bass.
It wasn't a snag. Took 3. Hopefully, one of them you're not blinking.
Yeah.
Now you got a tough decision to make. Yeah. That's a master angler for sure. So you want to make sure you have that. You might have to go get at it. Take it.
Picture of his.
Yeah, definitely. Or if you're gonna keep them, you take them to like where they have like a certified scale measurement, or you can actually call the game warden. Say I got this 17-inch crappie. I need to certify it for. And you get a certificate. I don't know if you've ever had a master angler.
I've never cared to.
Oh, okay. Well, it's something that. Yeah, that is not an everyday. That is. Joe is not going to believe this. Congratulations. That is just wonderful. Yeah, you can get a weight on them later, but unless you have a scale.
I just kind of maybe think he's maybe the grandpa's in this.
Yeah. Wow, that is just unbelievable there. Well, I mean, it's believable. It's about right. It's about right. Good job. You brought him in like a champ, and you got him on a minnow. On a minnow. I don't know. How do you do better than that right now?